So today the dollar is dying. That's right. The US dollar is just sinking. It's a sinking ship, and you want to take advantage of that opportunity. Hey everyone, my name is JR. Welcome to the Market Surveillance Alliance, where we track what the big boys are doing in Wall Street. And of course, you won't believe that they're just letting the dollar die without taking the opportunity on the different side of the trade. Like, they're taking the other side. And the way you want to pay attention to that is by trading copper. Now, you don't need to go and buy tons of copper and park that in your Porsche. Basically, you want to take a look at Freeport McMoran. The ticker symbol is FCX. And one thing you want to pay attention is look at what it's doing the last couple of days. It's actually bullish. So you may think that this is not a surprise. Someone's building up this opportunity as the dollar gets weaker by going long copper. And you can see that in how the stock price is behaving all the way from September 22. Now, the way I'm just going to pick this opportunity, I'm going to go directly to quote media. Let me share with you, I'm not holding anything, and you will get exactly how you do this. Just go here, type the ticker symbol FCX, and let's look at potentially next week how we can play the strength in raw materials, particularly copper, and weakness in the US dollar. We are going to look for the expiration date. That will be next week. I want to avoid having just a little short time for this whole thing to pan out. So I'm going to look for November 4. That's next Friday. And right now it's trading. Okay, the asset is trading at $31. So take a look what it did last week. Last week, it made a full move of 15%. That was $4.39. Let's say we get a $2 move in 2 weeks. $2 move in 2 weeks. So that will probably take me around $34. Okay, there you go. That will be 34. So I'm not looking for a full 15% in 1 week. I'm looking for a 15% move in 2 weeks. You got that? Perfect. Now, that is running so far for 52 cents. Not bad. Now, 52 cents means that for every contract when I'm trading options, I command the full control of 100 shares. All right? Perfect. Now, if that's the case, you multiply the number that you see there by 100. That means that I will be paying $47 for one contract, and that contract controls 100 shares of Freeport McMoran. Pretty simple. Now, the range so far, and I'm using all the data, all this information presented. This is a free website, okay? Basically, the contract high, take a look at there. Contract high was 94. If I buy today this contract, I am looking at least to double my money in the next 2 weeks. So by Wednesday next week, I will be looking to potentially have double my money. I will be looking to pay no more than 50 cents. That means that I'm investing $50 per contract. That's it. That's absolutely it. Now, if you were to look for 100 shares of Freeport McMoran, then you have to come up with almost $3,000, right? That's pretty basic. Just want to make sure, you never know. I'm not going to fail with my math right there. So the price per share, $31. If you want 100 shares, that's what you need up front. But in this case, that's the power of options. I'm going to take less risk with my money up front for the potential outcome. Now, as you can see, the chart is looking bullish, but also we do know, thanks to our in-house algorithms, that someone is actually selling puts. Now, you may be wondering, what is this whole thing of selling puts? All I know that if I see a put option, it's bearish. That is not the case. What this means when they're selling the put option is that they believe so much in the upside that they are actually selling it to someone else that actually thinks that this is going down. So when you see that kind of action, you have more confidence in the long position, in buying call options. And that's exactly what we do at the Market Surveillance Alliance. Because by tracking what the big boys are doing, we have the insight that something is happening, and potentially it reduces the risk in this position. Guys, that's all I have for you today. Remember, the dollar is sinking. Let's take a look at the dollar index. Look at that. Bye-bye dollar index. Bye-bye. That's it. Look at that. Bearish last week, bearish this week. The monthly, potentially, after 1, 2, 3, 4 months. 4 months, the dollar was doing really well. Finally, we potentially have a strong bearish close, and that will open the opportunity for US equities as well to push to the upside. So come back to the channel, make sure you're subscribed, because if you want just to get it the way it is, raw, no sugarcoating, you want to stop by my channel and get the best info when you want to trade options on US stocks. Guys, thank you so much. And remember, at the end of the day, it's simple. Someone always knows.